Okay, so I'm gonna make a really quick video. In fact, actually, I do have a retraction. This is not the Henry and Glenn comic. I should hopefully be getting that this week. I just talked to the people, um, to one of the shippers this morning from my cousin in Portland. They're saying that it should ship, stuff should ship this week. I think that's one of the things. But I'm going to make it really quick, probably less than a minute. Um, really quick, less than a minute um, unboxing. And then I probably might do another unboxing over the next couple of days. We'll see. I did get my cousin posters. I probably will show those. Um, I might show those with the giant poster haul that I just got. But this is from Last Books up in Washington's Olympia, Washington, and these are just different little zines. They'll be going up on the shop for about $10 a piece. So the first one is essays from the Minister of Defense. I'm guessing that these were essays that were probably found, probably I'm guessing after Huey passed away in '89. Okay, so this is actually printed by Last Books. Okay, so this is the Last Books. So I'm guessing Last Books found these, or someone found them and showed them their essays. From the Minister of Defense, P. Newton, or Huey Percy Newton. This will be going up in the eBay shop for $10. We'll see how fast this sells. I bought this from their Etsy shop. Let's see. So the next one is Guerrilla Warfare, a manuscript by Ernesto Che Guevara, which, same thing. So this is what this one looks like. This one, I'm pretty sure, will sell pretty darn fast, and I probably will buy some more from them. And then this is not written by Joe Hill, but it's written by two founding members, Fred Thompson and I think another founding member of the Chicago chapter. I think Fred Thompson was the semi-founding member of the Chicago chapter of the IWW, and I know it looks backwards, but it's IWW Songbook. And if I pop this open, should tell me who did it. Maybe it's another off-brand thing that the Wobblies did. I don't know. But peace out. Rate, comment, subscribe. And if you guys want to support them, you can go here. It's lastworldbooks.com. You can also type in Last World Books and then Etsy, and that'll pop up. That's a little bit better because they don't take PayPal on their website. But peace out, rate, comment, subscribe, like always.